Hello people, welcome back to my channel Cooking Made Easy. Today I present you Bhindi masala. Today to make this recipe, I have taken about half a kg of lady's finger. Wash it well and wipe it well. Make sure that there is no moisture left or any water left in the lady's finger. So I have cut my bhindi to about 1.5 inches long. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the normal cooking oil. Once it's heated, add in the lady's finger and fry it well. After about 4 or 5 minutes of frying, our bhindi has changed color. Let us transfer our bhindis to another plate. To the same pot, add a teaspoon of oil. Add about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Allow this to splutter. Add about 1 finely chopped onions. Let the onions cook well and change its color. I'm using half a teaspoon of salt to help the onions cook faster. Onions have now become very transparent. I'm adding about a spoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook it in medium heat until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone. I'm adding about 2 tomatoes finely chopped. If you want less gravy, you can add just 1 tomato. To this, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chilli and coriander powder. Spices according to your choice. Mix it well. Keep it in high heat and cook it covered till your tomatoes become soft. So after about 7 to 8 minutes, you can see that the gravy has cooked well. The tomatoes have become very soft and mushy. So switch off the gas and allow this to cool completely. The masala has cooled completely. To this, I'm adding about 150 grams of thick curd. Whisk it well. Turn on the stove. Keep it in very low heat and keep stirring the curd so that it doesn't curdle. So I'm adding about a glass of water to this. Keep mixing it. I'm adding a little more salt. Keep stirring it until it comes to a boil. Now you can see that it has started to boil. Cover and cook it in low-medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 5 to 6 minutes, our gravy has become thick. The oil has started to ooze out. add our bhindis this time. After adding the bhindi, mix them gently. Cover it with a lid and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes in medium sim. After about 3 to 4 minutes, our bhindi masala is ready. The aroma just fills up the room. Add some coriander leaves. You can have this bhindi masala with roti, naan, anything as you wish. Do try this recipe at home and please share your comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Cooking Made Easy. Thank you for watching.